Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you what to do if your fast charging is not working on REALME C63. So first, don't panic. Sometimes it might be the charger's issue or the cable's issue, so first check your cable and charger for any damage or compatibility with your device. If there is a compatibility, then it might be the damage issue. And what you guys can also do is clean the charging port using either a soft brush or the air compressor, but I do not recommend using anything that is metallic, because when you put something metallic in the charging port, then it can only make the situation worse, and we don't want that. So what you guys can also do is test with another fast charger or maybe an outlet to see if the fast charging works. If not, then it also might be the charging bug, and you guys can fix it in the settings. So I'll show you. Go to settings. Now here, let's go over right to the bottom, click about phone and click Realme UI. Now here, make sure that your version of the software is updated and is up to date just like mine. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.